Greetings to all the worthy speakers and my co-peer team. Today our topic is US withdrawal from Afghanistan, the regional implication. COPER is always working on policy advocacy and research and publications on various issues on Afghanistan and other international political issues. And I think this is a very current topic and very important topic. South Asia and particularly Afghanistan remain battleground of great powers, and this resulted in protracted Afghan conflict. And it has really fractured the country politically, economically, and socially. The peace in Afghanistan, I believe, is very important, will bring the peace in the region. And this will facilitate the global trade. And today we gathered here to discuss that how this will happen. But this also depends upon the situation after US exit from Afghanistan. That power vacuum can be exploited by external factors, including multiple terrorist organizations, which we are going to discuss. And currently, different ethnic groups are exploited by political entities and are also arming against each other. This is a very serious concern. Chaos in Afghanistan will have spillover effect over the wider region. So this is a very important thing. So road to peace and stability in Afghanistan is a challenging task that requires the commitment and will of all the stakeholders. The leaders of Afghanistan, whether they are in the government or part of opposition forces and the regional states, they need to work together aggressively for the success of the peace process to bring stability in Afghanistan. Pakistan has played always a key and constructive role in the Afghan peace process, and the peace in the region is directly linked with peace in Afghanistan. The US needs to leave behind a stable Afghanistan with an interlocking national and regional consensus. So I'm thankful to all the worthy panelists who are here to give us suggestions and their experience and how they foresee this exit of US and how you see the stability in the region and the peace in the region. Thank you very much, team, and wish you good luck for this webinar.